Hello everyone, my name is Joon and I'm doing my PhD in robotics. Today we're gonna see how to install ROS Jazzy version in Ubuntu. Let's start. So here I have Ubuntu 24. It's already installed parallelly to my Windows 11. However, if you would like, you can install VirtualBox into your Windows and then you can install your Ubuntu into that VirtualBox and ROS2 into that VirtualBox. But still, I would like to recommend you to install Ubuntu parallelly alongside your Windows version, because if you gonna use some sensors or hardware, it will be very much beneficial for you. So let's start. Let's open the Google and type ROS to Jazzy. Okay, Jazzy documentation, installation, Ubuntu, and you have to open the terminal and start copying from here. Copy this, open terminal, paste, enter. Okay, it needs my password. I hope I remember my password. Let's try. Okay, that's a good news. I remember my password. Let's see if there is an error or not. Zero upgrade. Okay, so you have to keep in mind there should not be any error. If you are getting some key errors, then I have these commands. I will put this command somewhere, like I don't know if I will give you a link or whatever, but I would like to give you these commands. You can copy these commands onto your terminal and your key problem will going to eliminate. Okay, let's come back here. Okay, copy this, paste it, enter. Yeah, now we're gonna copy the command for the key, paste. Okay, now add the repository to your source list, paste. Okay, done. Sudo apt update. Okay, I hope there should not be any error. Yes. Okay, let's see 5 10 12. You could have a T or something like that if you want. Okay, 70 80 94%. Oh, it's done. Good. And there is no error. Okay, let's move here. Sudo apt update. Okay, can't be because it's okay. Now let's check upgrade. Okay, it's just 2 MB. Okay, no problem. %. 30. Why we have to wait so much? %. Oh, 80. Yeah. In this time, can you sing a song for me? Oh, experience in internal. Don't send. Okay, 99%. Okay, there we go. Okay, now you have two versions, two commands to install Jazzy. Either this is the full version and this is the just the core important libraries. However, I would like to recommend that you should install this one, ROS Jazzy desktop version. It have the RWish and tutorials and everything whatever you need to start with ROS. So let's install this. Yes, it's gonna take time. Maybe until that time you can sing a song for me. Yeah, please start. No, it's okay. 58, 59, 62, 63. Oh, 85. 1, 2, 7%. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. It really, I feel so boring to watch. 25, 26. Forty-two, 43, 44, 45, 46, 48, 49, 50. Okay, yeah, we are so close to finish. $60. Oh, okay. So at this moment, when there is no error, so ROS is already installed. Now is the time to check. Okay, so let's try this. So we're gonna first source the environment and then we gonna run this package. This is the package called Docker. So it gonna publish some message in the ROS environment. Let's paste, run it. Okay, so it have started publishing the message hello world, and I have just divided this terminal and we're gonna receive this message. So again we have to source it and we can see, or we can publish. Oops, sorry, I just have to paste it. Okay, so this is the package which is sending this message hello world, and this is a package which is subscribing to the message, and it is saying I heard. So it is subscribing to the message which the another package is publishing. It's fine. So it means the ROS is working very well. However, you can also check, I think it's the command is ROS version -t. I'm not sure. Okay, ROS version oops. Okay, no problem, we can install. Yeah, again password. Okay, yeah, unknown. Because we have to source it first. Okay, let's try to source. Paste it. Okay, so you could see, and you can put the source directly into your bash file, so you don't have to source it again and again. Okay, let's get it .bashrc. There is no command. Okay, we can install it. Yes, okay, this is your bash file, and you can paste. No, you should paste your source. Paste, save. Okay, so when you have saved, you should close your terminal and open the terminal again, and now you don't have to source it. Let's check ROS version. Okay, Jazzy, and you can directly run your talker and the listener. This is the command for the listener, and there should be command for talker here. Okay, it's gonna publish the messages, and here you could see. Okay, so thank you for watching this video. In this video we have learned how to install ROS to Jazzy in your Ubuntu system. Thank you.